Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you how to reset a Chill Booster maintenance alarm. This is our alarm button, program or menu button, escape or back button, up, enter and down. So let's go into the menu and it's going to ask us for a password, and I'm going to use the manufacturer's password, which is 1234, and enter. So in the main menus, I would like you to go down to menu E, other functions, and then sub menu G, which is Chill Booster, and enter. Then I'd like you to go down to settings and enter. Here it says device present. No, I'm going to make it yes, and enter. I'm not going to be worried about any of the other settings. I just want to go and reset the alarm. So let's go down. This is page number 2. As you can see, I'm going to go down to page number 4. So here you have the Chill Booster requires maintenance after hours. I'm going to leave this on 200, but you have the option to customize the hours. And then the next option says reset maintenance. So I'm going to enter, make it yes, and enter. You see it jumps back to no, but now we've reset the alarm. So if we go down, we get back to page number 1, and all that I'm going to do is I'm going to say the device is not present. Then I can escape all the way, go into my alarm button, and I'm going to press and hold my alarm button, and then that will give me a page that pops up that will say no alarms present, everything has been reset. And that's how you clear a Chill Booster maintenance alarm. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.